Hey, baby kitty. Hey. Hey, baby kitty. Look at that. Yeah. Aw. You can tell you're going to be the talker, aren't you? Yeah. You can be a talker? You going to be a talker? Yeah, I can tell. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. You don't like being held, do you? Meow. 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 Look. Meow. Meow. You're just so cute. It's a long way down. Watch when I pick him up again. Man, you don't like to be held, do you? What? 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 You're so cute. You're cute, that's what you are. I know that. Uh-huh. Yeah. Don't fall now. Don't fall. Yeah. Wow. You're gonna be the talker. Tiger never made that much noise when he was your age. Tiger was the quiet one. Where is Tiger? Where you at? Ugh. Where you at, cuz? Yeah. There he is. What's up, cuz? Hey, come on here for a second. Say hi to your buddy. Want to say hi to your buddy? Hey, look. Want to say hi to your buddy? Uh-oh. He's just being curious. Be nice, Snowball. Be nice. Be patient with him, Tiger. Snowball, you better be nice. It's okay, Tiger. It's okay. It's okay, boy. Just be patient with him. It's okay. Come on, get to know him a little bit. That's a good boy, Tiger. Being nice to your new friend. What you eating there? You can't be eating. That's not even food. Gotta get you something to eat. Watch this. He hates being held tiger. Look. See that? Oh, what? Tiger, like, why are you crying like that?